one that can take your spotlight. If I wrote you a symphony.
Good morning. Good morning. Okay, y'all, we finna cook. The princess done woke up and she hungry, baby. Cause my baby can eat. Okay. I don't know about y'all, baby, but my baby can't eat. So we doing grits. Yeah, we doing grits, eggs. Got some sausages. I think like some frozen sausage patties, which they take like 4 minutes to cook. Yeah, and maybe biscuits. Got these sausages. I get them from Aldi. If y'all are looking to get groceries on a budget, go to Aldi. Go to Aldi.
It's not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. We can get away. Come chase beach views and then every day. All I wanna hear is an visions how we play. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. Think it's away. Really wanna, I just wanna get away. Sit right.
Hey y'all. So it's later in the day. We went to our baby's doctor's appointment, and we also we did a little bit more Christmas shopping. And you know, I'm gonna show y'all guys once I make it back home. I think tonight I'm gonna leave early from class. Just, I don't know, my boyfriend, he get up and go to work really early, so I want to spend time with my man. Okay. Because I feel like we just see each other in passing, you know, unless like I don't go to work, or you know, I have a bunch of appointments where I can be home earlier or whatever. But yeah, we got 2 picture frames for Alani's grandparents. It says like somebody, I'm gonna show y'all when I get back home. And also, excuse my head, before I go into the school, I'm doing my edges because this is ridiculous. And the braids are coming down this week. I'm like very excited to be doing this, like to give it a try. Right now, I'm not overwhelmed, or I don't think like, you know, like I'm stressed out about it or anything like that. Today though, today is Tuesday. So the video for today is going up a little bit later because I've been dropping the videos at 4. So this video is going to probably go up around 7 or 8 because I still haven't edited. I want to do a video of us baking cookies because today we actually got the cookie cutters for like a Christmas tree. I think it's a gingerbread, a snowflake, yes, you know, a bunch of different Christmas stuff. So I'm super excited about that. Yeah, I'm just excited. I just love like the Christmas, you know, Christmas time, winter. I don't like being cold, but I love the aesthetic, you know what I'm saying? Like the snow, the just everybody happy, so I'm saying, just family oriented. Like I just love all that, the lights, you know, this is snuggle weather, you know, all that. Like it's just like, yeah, like I love it, you know what I'm saying? I don't think I'm gonna record anything for class just because we're really not doing nothing. We might review for our quiz or something, but I mean, not our quiz. We might review for our final on Thursday, but that's really it. So I'm gonna let her know that I'm leaving class early today because I'm going to be with my family, baby. I got a baby, okay? And one thing about it, Bailey gonna leave class, okay? But don't get it twisted. Bailey's not flunking. She just leaving class because she has other priorities, because family is first and foremost, you know what I'm saying? Because like I said, I'm a mother first. Okay, here. So we back at home. We didn't stay at school long, baby. We stayed for 2 hours and it was time to go. She talking about some, oh, I only got this one thing planned. Say no more. Say no more. I'm back in my bed right now as she talking. Yeah. Because one thing about it, I'm a what? Leave. Thank you. Thank you. So, we went to the store earlier. We went to Ross. And really just Ross. We went to Dollar Tree too, but we got candy. That was it. So let me show y'all what we got. We got this little plate, this Christmas plate. We're gonna do cookies, bake cookies one day, probably the same day we put up the tree. So yeah, we're gonna grab the cookies when we're here. So yeah, we got that. And then we got cookie cutters. You see, cute. Got the snowman, gingerbread, ornaments. Yeah, she's cute. She's cute. And this is what we got to do. So I got some ribbon because I saw on TikTok that they put like ribbons on the cabinets. They put the ribbons on the cabinet. So I'm gonna use this, and it goes in my color scheme. It got silver, white, and gold. So we're gonna see how it's look. And then I hooked up our baby some bows, but that's stuff. And then we got us some Christmas mittens, cause duh. Yeah, we got us some Christmas mittens. And some Christmas towels that's gonna go up on the stove. But I'm gonna clean up the kitchen first before. Oh, and we also got a Christmas candle. It's very subtle. I like subtle candles. I don't like the dramatic smells, the pineapples. We actually have one that's a pineapple, but I don't like it. It make my head hurt. Or like vanilla, if it's a light vanilla scent. Like I like light scents from candles. I don't like anything too overpowering. And it smells good. It smells like cranberries or something. I don't know. It smells good. So you see the Christmas tree? It's a cookie, like a cookie thing or candy. But yeah, I'll probably put candy in here. And cause since we got the cookie tray, yeah, that's what I think I'm gonna do. And I'm probably gonna set it somewhere over here. I gotta clean up first, and then I'm gonna start decorating. Okay, so my mom already got her a Christmas gift, but I think I'm gonna go back and try and find one for her too, cause she gonna be jealous. But this is what we got. We got 2 of these for Alani's grandparents, and it says grandkids are the greatest gifts. So we're gonna put a little picture in here. I'll probably go get her like a Christmas outfit and take a picture, a nice picture, and put it in here. And then this is for us. This says the best part of Christmas is family. And same thing, we'll probably either put a picture that we already have together. Yeah, one of the pictures that we already got. So that'll probably go in here. But yeah, it's so cute. But now I'm gonna clean up real quick, and then I'm gonna come back so we can do the ribbons on the cabinet. So BRB. Alright, so I've been cleaned up a little bit. Now let's get into this ribbon. And if y'all hear noise in the background, I'm watching the game, so shoot. So I'm done. Y'all see? I think I'm gonna get some more because I want to put one right here on this cabinet, and then I don't know, maybe on these, or I'll just get like some gold ribbons or something and put like on here. I don't know. Honestly, really, I just probably get one more and do that one cabinet. But yeah, it's coming along. And this is where I put the tree. I put the tree right here. Yeah, I low-key kind of broke it, but it's okay. We're gonna finesse it. But yeah, I feel like that's it. Yeah, that's a wrap for today. So thank you guys so much for watching. Comment a red heart for Christmas if you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment the red heart, and also subscribe if you're not already subscribed. And I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye.
Ain't another woman that can take your spotlight.